Hey boys, welcome back to another video. I am still bearish on Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you why in a second. But before we go into our video, I just want to say if you're not subscribed yet, you are missing out, boys. I give banger trades every day here. So make sure to subscribe. I do have some cool links for you down below. We got some new discount codes for client funding if you want to get funded with up to $300,000 worth of capital. So go ahead and check it out. We got Weeks, Coinflare, Bybit, no KYC for Weeks and Coinflare, and you get some bonuses when you sign up and deposit for futures trading. All right, so a little bit of update on my $1,000 to 100K challenge. I haven't taken any trades yesterday. I went to sleep early and I kind of missed the short, but the reason why I am still bearish, because we haven't changed market structure. If you look at this right now, we have relative equal lows below, and I'm pretty sure that's like a poor low. If you can see this previous week low and previous month low, we left like a poor low right there across the board. By the way, Bybit, Coinbase exchange, and even on the futures CME for Bitcoin, if you look at that. So I am still bearish for Bitcoin. I am not long yet, and I do have a plan for you boys. So let me just pull my ideas. So this was the short yesterday that I was supposed to take, and the reason why I didn't take this because I was like awake right here. My alarms went off, but we didn't hit the point of control from this move down. So I didn't really take it. But when I went to sleep, we had another move up and finally hit. And we dropped like to the dollar, by the way. And that's like a 2% move. So if you made money on this short, congrats to you. But like what I said, I didn't take it because I went to sleep very, very early. So what I have for you today, boys, is pretty simple. I do have some longs down here, but I mean, like, don't bet the farm on these longs because this is probably not gonna hold just because of this equal lows right here. So I might actually not take this. My thesis for today and tomorrow, we're probably just gonna have an inside day. We're just probably gonna range here. So this might be actually a scalp. So if you take both of this long, just make sure to move your stop loss to break even because I'm like 100% sure we're gonna take this equal lows right here, the poor lows across this board, and we're probably gonna fill some single prints just below it. So the perfect long would be 105K to 104K and 104K to 103K. Now, why? Because we have a monthly level at 104.600, and then we have the 786 at 103,800, 103K. So that is the 786 from the all-time high and this low right here. So, in a perfect world, what I would want is for the NFP price action, we would drop something like this. I would want Bitcoin to like just play around here today and maybe tomorrow, and hopefully we finally, oops. So we get like an inside day, right? Trade like that, and then we range for the weekend, and then next week we might get a sell-off on Monday. This will be like your perfect long. Then we take that to all-time high because we've already taken this liquidity right here. But the reason why I'm not long yet is we left equal lows, poor lows across the board, and I'm 100% sure we're gonna take that. So your best long would be the 786 or this monthly level. Then, once we get to FOMC rate cuts, we're probably gonna rally. So that's the time when we go to 130K in even 150K going into October and November. So that's my plan. You know, um, I mean, if you're just looking at this, like, I don't really like this lows. Now I could be wrong. I could be wrong. This could just like maybe pump all the way here, take all of this liquidity up here, but I doubt that. Like for me, the highest probability and like for my setups, this is the perfect long right here. So not much to say, boys. I am still bearish for Bitcoin. I do hope that we finally take this low so that we would take this long. I would take this long on my weeks account, and we ride this all the way to all time high. All right. So